See? Come on. Console. Console or holding. P&L. But here P&L changed to what? Revenue reserve. Another one? Capital reserve. NCI no need. NCI straight away you will calculate. NCI account no need. Now how I start? What I do in this account? What I do? Okay. Where to look for these two values? Which balance sheet I see? Which company I see? Holding. Holding. See holding. What is a holding revenue reserve? Holding revenue reserve, how much? 180 tick. Subsidiary? Holding capital reserve? 100. And how much here? Subsidiary revenue reserve? How much subsidiary revenue reserve? Subsidiary revenue reserve? 60. So therefore, what is my post revenue reserve?
40.
Now to get around. How much my subsidiary capital reserve? Subsidiary capital reserve? 24. So therefore, how much my post capital reserve? 12. All these must know. For my A, how much is my revenue reserve? A, associate, 40. What is my post revenue reserve? 4. Just minus. Now the examiner, I don't know lah, UK examiner, they use old method. ACC already using new method. They use old method. University. The examiner use old method. Very bad. I got nowadays old method, but they use old method. Don't ask me, I am not the examiner. They use what? Old method. Make your life easy. Okay? So each account for NCI it has using the old method. You know old method? Not new method, old method. D. Holding pay dividend 120,000. Full stop there. What is a double entry? Holding pay dividend. Holding pay dividend. Debit. Holding P&L. Debit. You have to pay from the profit, right? Debit here. So how much they pay? Holding pay dividend 120,000. So debit. Yeah, debit. Where credit. Debit. One account debit, another account credit. Where credit? Bank. This end of the year adjustment they never mention what? If you never pay, where? CL. Debit, credit. Done. Debit, credit. Holding pay lah, debit, P&L, followed by a credit liability. subsidiary bayar berapa? 10. Double entry. Jadi siapa punya PNL? Subsidiary punya PNL. Berapa debit? 10. Debit. Tambah atau tolak? Debit. Tolak. Debit. Sudah bayar ke belum? Belum. Kredit. Debit. Kredit. Belum bayar. So, subsidiary bayar 10.000, dividen, holding terima berapa persen? Subsidiary bayar 10.000, holding kontrol 70% saham kan? So holding mesti terima berapa ribu? 7,000. So holding terima. Tidak kredit. Holding terima lah. Income. Kredit. Berapa? 7. Kredit. Naikkan kredit, naikkan mas. Debit. Finish. So ada 3 pelarasan dalam nota D. 3 pelarasan. Kerana dividen yang dibayar oleh subsidiary, holding mesti terima kan? Itu perempuan. So how I got 7? 70% of 10. Kalau saya tengok jawapan sama dengan jawapan ini, terus saya bagi kosong Some of you don't want to see the question paper. Copy the answer, memorize the answer. Straight away I give you 0. I change all the figures ready, and also I rephrase the sentence. A lot of work I did. I rephrase the sentence, and also the nota semua saya sudah terbalikkan semua nota, bukan A. So exam question you don't see A, maybe A, maybe in B, C in A, D in G, something like that. I rephrase that one also already, and the sentences all I change already. Okay? Kalau pergi hafalkan jawapan mesti kosong lah. Okay, E. You cannot do now, why? Okay, highlight. Goodwill nanti. Okay, tengok F. Holding buy goods from holding. You tengok. Holding buy goods from subsidiary. So in your actual exam, they will say subsidiary sold goods to holding. Sama kan? Saya tukar. Ayat semua saya tukar. Holding buy goods from subsidiary means how the arrow? Subsidiary sell goods to what? Holding. What is the value? 600,000. So what is the sales value? 600,000. Now what adjustment I must do? Tell me. Intercompany sales. Go here. Revenue. Go here. Revenue minus 600. Some more. Cost of sales minus 600. You have done. Intercompany sales. So intercompany sales minus 600 in your income statement. Okay, see that? go there. You don't do anything here. And the margin. Your exam also margin. I didn't play with that. Margin. So immediately write what? Margin. 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 Okay. At the end of the year, 40,000 of these goods remain unsold in inventories or what? Holding. So what you have to calculate? URP. You have to calculate your URP. So this is 40,000. So calculate the URP. How much URP? 10,000. URP 10,000. Now first we settle that one. What I do URP here? Here please. URP will increase the cost of sales. So URP will increase the cost of sales. No. Plus N. Got NCI adjustment or not? Yes. Why? Please note. Got NCI adjustment. So later I have to do NCI adjustment. Because subsidiary sell to holding. Your exam question also subsidiary sell to holding. I didn't play with that. It's also subsidiary sell to holding. Now how about here? How the double entry here? CBS. Subsidiary sell to holding. Subsidiary got the profit. So debit and subsidiary P&L URP. Debit subsidiary P&L. Debit means minus or plus? Minus. I debit, where I credit? I debit, where I credit? Inventory. Debit, right? Right here. That finishes F. G. When the investment in S and W were made, when was the investment made? Here, right? Here. The fair value of the various assets and liabilities were blah blah blah. Land which was included in the accounts of subsidiary at 20,000, but the fair value is 50,000. So how much increase in value? No, the normal question, ACCA question, they will say the value is in excess. But here they didn't give, the examiner didn't give the extra value. They say net book value 20, fair value 50. So how much increase in value? Difficult, very difficult to calculate. 50 minus 20. How much increase? 30. Asset value increase. Debit, asset. Asset value increase. The land value increase. Debit asset. Asset is under PPE, right? How much increase in value? Land. 30. Debit. Debit. That's credit, right? So here you write land. Okay, land. Plus or minus? Plus. Because debit, yeah, credit, plus. Okay. Okay, cepat kira ini. This is my P, this is my P value, this is my Q value, this is my R value, and this is my R value. Get all the value correctly. P, Q, R value. Berapa sini? 3214. Sini 180, sini 22, sini 12. Okay, can start. So how much cost of investment in subsidiary? See holding balance sheet. How much they paid to buy the 84,000 shares? 170. Okay, here. Here, fair value of net asset in subsidiary at what date? Take over date. So the formula, what is the formula? I give you H percent times in one value, Q value. What is the holding percentage? 70%. Q value 180. Okay, a takeover date. Q. One to 6. So from there, can you calculate goodwill? What is a goodwill? Huh? That one intercompany loan I will minus later when I do that one. That one nothing to do with it. That one is intercompany adjustment, intercompany loan. That one intercompany loan. Berapa? 170 minus 126. 40? 44 44. Okay, sekarang baca goodwill. Baca itu goodwill, nota goodwill. What they say? Goodwill is to be capitalized in accordance with IFRS, you know IFRS 9. After review, the directors have decided that goodwill is impact and its carrying value should be reduced to 60%. So how much is the impairment? How much is the impairment? Can you calculate? They say reduced to 60%. So how much impairment? 40% times 44,000. 17.6. So how much will appear here? -44 minus 17.6. How to calculate this one formula I gave, subsidiary P&L, holding percentage times in what value? R, right? Your R value. So 70% times in what? 20. Right, this value, R value. .4. Here. Subsidiary P&L, or we follow this one, subsidiary revenue reserve, sorry. Subsidiary capital reserve. Times it by 12. 8.4. So this now there is one more account you have to open, investment in what? Associate. Now how much is the cost of investment in associate? See your holding balance sheet. See your holding balance sheet. How much investment in associate? 36. Hey, here. Wait. Associates have grown. Associate, revenue reserve. 40%, right? 40% times the post. How much is the post? 4. 1.6. Goodwill tanya. So how much here? $37.6. Now do we consolidate associate? No, don't consolidate associate. There will be cash in transit. Why got cash in transit? You see your receivable intercompany subsidiary 16, but in the holding book trade payable intercompany 10. So how much difference? 6, right? So there is a cash in transit of 16 minus 10, 6. NCI calculate straight. I didn't open the account. Why minus 24 here? That is an intercompany loan. Why I got cash in transit? How I got 6? You see the holding and subsidiary, the difference is 6, right? Cash in transit adjustment we always do in the holding books. Current account will not appear in CBS. NCI, I didn't open account, I straight away calculate. NCI is the NCI percentage times in what? P. P value. CBS P.